part of Salty's Sea Rescue. I think that's the set. Salty Sea Rescue. Yes, I found this on my storage. I have two sets, but as you might notice, my storage is a mess and I have a lot of stuff around. Really nice. The windows, all the way from the bottom to the top, there are two windows, and the door, this door is actually the switch to turn on and off. Actually, it's to turn on the light, and the light blinks approximately 4 times. 4 times blinks the light. It takes 2 AA batteries, and it happens I got another one in the mail. This is the switch to turn on and off the light. That little tiny window, it's the switch, and then you press the button right here and the light blinks. If you slide it down, it turns off the light. Like I said before, it blinks like 4 times, and that's it, and not anymore. You gotta push it again. I don't know why this design was this way. See? Anyways, here's the platform, the rocks. It's kind of little island where they set this light. It reminds me the Thomas birthday wishes with the skiff. You remember? Maybe you remember the yellow Thomas turned yellow, bright yellow. Really cool. So this one is better than the mine I had before. I found this on the storage with a lot of stuff. Cool. Awesome. It's a good and really nice lighthouse. What's your opinion, guys? So this is part of the Salty Sea Rescue. Get a good discount, really cheap, and you can get this. I don't know if it's hard to find or rare, but I don't see a lot of this on eBay, and probably it's going to be pricey. I mean, nobody likes them a lot, so you're gonna find them really cheap.